It is March 12th. The year is 2020, the year of the COVID-19 virus. The beautiful Dap Dap Park is completely empty. And while we still have the beauty of our Mayan volcano looming over us, we also have looming over us a threat to humanity, an incurable virus that is attacking countries all over the world. Today, on March 12th, President Duterte issued an emergency command to completely lock down the country. The only movement outside of your home that was allowed was emergency services and the transportation of food and essential goods. As you can see, the streets are virtually empty. I, along with a friend, am now not allowed to go outdoors, but we traveled up to the 4th floor observation deck to allow our drone to document what is happening. And we stood in the shadow of one of our beams and flew the drone up and down the boulevard to demonstrate how effective the lockdown is with President Duterte. My friend is George Kamiko, and he is 83 and I am 71. For the next 3 months, George and I only roamed up and down the 4 floors of the Legazpi Oceanfront Hostel, our home for the time being. It's a very sad time, but it was a very effective measure and prevented thousands, maybe millions of deaths.